Good day to my African brothers and sisters. As we listen to the narrative that is being pushed by the mainstream media, telling us about the government of national unity, as they call it, the question that we should be asking ourselves is that, is there really a fundamental difference between the ANC and the DA? Especially looking at the current leader of the ANC and his stance when it comes to the black agenda. Is there any difference between the ANC and the DA? My answer to that is a big, fat no. ANC and DA are the same.